In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, open any app to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that, tap on the chosen one. And if you are using Tricky's navigation, use this square button. When you're ready, hold your app and click on this icon of two rectangles below the padlock one. Now you can click on an app from background apps or select home button and tap on any other one from all of your apps. In my case, Play Store. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!